Congratulations on taking the first step towards making your business official. They don't call it the Empire State of the South for nothing. If you're looking to stake out a little piece of the peach pie for yourself, there are a few specific things you should know about forming an LLC in Georgia. First, you'll want to choose a name for your business. This may seem obvious, but there's more to it than just that. We recommend you search your Secretary of State's website to ensure your business name isn't already in use by an existing business within the state. If you aren't ready to register your LLC but are concerned your business name might be taken by someone else in the meantime, you can reserve it. In Georgia, names can be reserved up to 30 days by paying a fee and submitting paperwork to the state authority. Second, you'll choose a registered agent, otherwise known as an RA. Your RA is the person or entity that receives official legal documents and notices on behalf of your business. When it comes time to choose an RA, be sure to choose one that's available during regular business hours and has an address in the state of Georgia. Third, you'll need to file some information about your LLC with the Georgia Secretary of State Corporations Division. This information is commonly referred to as your Articles of Organization. This includes basic business information like your LLC's name and address and can be filed online. When your filing is approved, your LLC is registered as an official business entity. The fourth step is to draft an operating agreement, which is a document that outlines the way you'll run your LLC. Unlike some states, Georgia does not require you to have or file an operating agreement. With that said, these agreements can be helpful if disputes or litigations arise. Next, you'll need to get your employer identification number, or EIN for short. Your EIN is sort of like a social security number for your business and is necessary for banking, taxes, and even hiring employees. Finally, you should get any specific permits or licenses, like a zoning permit or liquor license, that your business may need. Once you have formed your LLC and taken the above steps, there are some additional requirements to remain in good standing in Georgia. You will need to file an annual registration with the Secretary of State and pay the required state taxes. Be sure to consult with a tax professional. Of course, there can be more to forming an LLC than just these few steps. Once you're ready, we'll be there to help you get started at LegalZoom.com.